Hey guys, I'm going to build a quick mini series showing you how to make a LinkedIn bot from scratch, and I'm going to break it up into individual sections. So to start off with, like get yourself like a database. You can use either like a CRM, you can use Google Sheets. In this scenario, I'm going to be using Airtable. But yeah, it's completely up to you based on personal preference. So it's completely blank currently. There's no information in there. This is just like the template version. And we need to go and add a trigger field. So just put in last edit, put in last modification time, all fields, and then you can refresh this. Label field can be name, view can be grid view. Cool. So then we're going to go and come over here, and we're going to use the growth hacking module. Your one is probably going to be blue because I'm using our like testing environment. And then just add in like your information. So you're going to want like your API key and your like LinkedIn account. So I'm going to show you how to get your cookie now. Let's put in the API key, and then to get your LinkedIn cookie, just go to LinkedIn, and you can just right click anywhere on the page and just do inspect. Come over to application, cookies, LinkedIn, and then scroll down to li_at and just copy this little random numbers and digits, and that's your session cookie. So that allows us to log into your like LinkedIn account without needing a password, and it means that nothing needs to be stored on our servers, which is good. And then what we'll do is we'll go and find a LinkedIn account that we want to connect with. Let's go and do growth hacking. And we can just copy his LinkedIn URL, and we may as well just change the title here to LinkedIn profiles. Cool. So his profile is now stored here in our database, and we can go and tell our automation that we would like to go and connect with anyone who's stored in our database here. So we can put in the profile URL, just collected, and then we can put in like hi, first name, choose where to start, all records. And so this module is now going into the LinkedIn account. It's going to open up that profile and it's going to send a connection request to them. So then like we can just see the response. So it's got his first name, status okay, message was sent correctly. It put his first name there. We've got his company name, and we've got his first name, last name, and his connection status. So now let's go into like storing this information just in case we want to use it in future for like any like email personalization. So we can go ahead and add in like a second module. So like you can do this in like a CRM. You can do like Google Sheets if you prefer it to Airtable. Really, yeah, it's just down to your personal preference. So record ID, and then let's say we want to sync his first name. Let's do his last name. Let's do the company they work for, and let's do the connection degree. So cool, first one is now done. So what I'll actually do is just to show you like how this works, and like this is completely automated. So I'm just like building it in front of you and giving you examples. But here we can go ahead and add free LinkedIn profiles, or we can use a different module and just scrape them automatically. So if we press save, and we can tell Integromat that we want to run free profiles every time. If we come down here, max records free, click save, and we can just run it, and we can watch what's happening over here. So when it runs successfully, we will know because it's going to add the first name, last name, company, and the connection level that they are. So all the information is synced back. So here we can see we've got his information, and that means a connection request has now been sent. Cool. And on this one, because we ran this record previously, it's not going to work. But I mean, we can tell Integromat to run it again, but just automatically they choose to skip it. Cool. So that is how you build the first stage of your LinkedIn automation sequence. This is just a really quick to the point video to help you like getting started and understand how sort of logic works within Integromat.